Suppose we have x square is equal to 17x plus y and y square is equal to x plus 17y and x is not equal to y. Then what is the value of square root of x square plus y square plus 1? You can simply find out the value of x and y to solve this, but in this video we try some standard trick to solve this. Let's find out. Here we have two equations. First of all, we subtract these equations. Then we get x square minus y square is equal to 16x minus 16y. It can be written as x plus y multiplied by x minus y, and we take 16 as a common factor in right hand side. As x not equal to y, this implies x minus y is not equal to 0. Therefore, in previous equation, we can divide by x minus y in both sides. Then we get x plus y is equal to 16. Remember this relation. Let's write the given two equations. And this time we add these equations. After adding, we get x square plus y square is equal to 18x plus 18y. Now we take 18 as a common factor. Now in this equation, put the value of x plus y, which is equal to 16. And this can be written as 17 plus 1 multiplied by 17 minus 1. Now we have equation x square plus y square is equal to 17 square minus 1 square. And obviously 1 square is 1, so by adding both sides by 1 we get x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 17 square. And by taking square root on both sides we get under root of x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 17, and that's our answer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more interesting problems like this.